Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling the keyboard you want and granting basic permissions so it can access mic or clipboard when needed. Once done, set it as the default in settings right arrow languages and input so apps open it automatically. Now open any text field and tap to summon the keyboard. If multiple keyboards exist, long press the globe or emoji key to switch quickly. Do this now so the keyboard is active and ready for the next configuration steps. Next, customize how you type to speed up everyday input. You can pick layouts like QWERTY or one-handed compact mode. Choose whichever reduces thumb stretch. Enable suggestions and autocorrect to reduce typos, and turn on glide typing or voice input for faster entry when walking. Adjust keyboard height, theme, and key feedback so the keys feel right under your thumb. Once configured, add text shortcuts and personal dictionary entries so common phrases expand with a few characters. Finally, learn advanced tools and how to recover if things go wrong. Use the clipboard manager, multilingual typing, and split or floating keyboard for specific tasks, and enable privacy settings for sensitive data. If the keyboard freezes or behaves oddly, update the app, clear cache, or reinstall. A restart often fixes temporary glitches. If problems persist, make sure permissions are correct and reset keyboard settings as a last resort. One troubleshooting tip: toggle the keyboard off and back on.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.